Chloraseptic Sore Throat Spray, cherry flavor, 6 fluid ounces. Product details. Chloraseptic is the #1 doctor-recommended sore throat spray. 1. With Chloraseptic Sore Throat Lozenges and Sprays, you get fast-acting relief in a variety of flavors from a brand that has been relieving sore throats for over 55 years. Chloraseptic Sore Throat Sprays provide fast, targeted sore throat relief that numbs on contact. Chloraseptic sprays come in flavors like cherry, warming honey lemon, wild berries and menthol. With an easy-to-control sprayer, Chloraseptic Sore Throat Sprays are a great addition to the household medicine cabinet for any time a sore throat strikes. This product is aspirin-free and sugar-free. For use with adults and children 3 years of age and over. And for on-the-go relief, try Chloraseptic Sore Throat Lozenges. 1. IQVIA, using the ProVoice Survey, June 1, 2018 to May 31, 2019. Chloraseptic Sore Throat Spray, cherry flavor, 6 fluid ounces. Fast-acting, targeted sore throat relief. Numbs on contact with an easy-to-control sprayer. Soothing sore throat spray is cherry flavor. Chloraseptic is the #1 doctor-recommended sore throat spray, IQVIA, using the ProVoice Survey, June 1, 2018 to May 31, 2019. Aspirin-free and sugar-free. Contains 1 bottle of cherry sore throat spray, 6 fluid ounces. Directions. Instructions. Directions, for expiration date, see bottom of bottle. Adults and children 3 years of age and older, apply to the affected area, 1 spray. Allow to remain in place for at least 15 seconds, then spit out. Use every 2 hours or as directed by a doctor or dentist. Children under 12 years of age should be supervised in the use of this product. Children under 3 years of age, consult a doctor or dentist.